Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a fillable text field to your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this form option, this menu bar, and here you will find this text field option, and click here and draw your text field. And this is a default text field. Now click on this hand option, and here you can type your text and so on. Again click on this text field option and draw another one. Now click right button and select properties option. Here you can customize your fillable text field name. You can add tooltip from visible and text orientation. You can make it read only, required, and this is appearance option. Here you can change. You can add border, this border color, and see this. Also you can add fill color, unloaded fill color, and text size. You can add custom font size. You can change text color option, and so on. And you can write text left to right or right to left, and this position and option. You can type text always remain center, and select close and select hand option. Now type new text and see this. Yeah, this is. In this way you can add as many as fillable text field you want. And finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.